everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to log into your Erie Insurance account with your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to get started. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.erieinsurance.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself in the main homepage for Erie Insurance. Erie Insurance is a publicly held insurance company offering auto, home, commercial and life insurances through a network of independent insurance agents. Once you end up in the home page, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner in order to log into an existing account. You'll find yourself in the login area. Start by entering your email address in the first text box that appears on the screen. After you're done, head over to the password field and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right at the corner of the password box. If you'd like the system to remember your email, make sure to check this box over here that says remember my email so that next time you try to log into your account, you won't have to type in your email address again and again. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave it unchecked before logging into your account for your security. If you happen to forget your password and you don't remember it at all, click on this reset password link and follow the instructions to look for a new password. Finally, after typing in all of your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Erie Insurance account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.